Ever wondered how premium packaging comes to life? Step inside our printing workshop, where precision meets craftsmanship, and every sheet of paper transforms into a masterpiece. This is our high-speed, multicolor offset printing line, engineered for flawless color reproduction, sharp details, and consistent quality. Batch after batch, we use eco-friendly soy-based inks, non-toxic and sustainable, to deliver vibrant prints without compromising on environmental responsibility. Every step is monitored by our skilled technicians, from pre-press color calibration to final quality checks. We don't just print, but we ensure every color matches your brand. Every edge is crisp, and every order meets the highest industry standards, whether it's luxury gift boxes, premium packaging, or custom print solutions. For over a decade, we've specialized in high-end custom packaging printing, serving global clients with reliability and excellence. Our state-of-the-art equipment, combined with handcrafted attention to detail, turns your design vision into tangible, premium products that stand out on the shelf. From concept to delivery, we handle every stage in-house, ensuring full control over quality and timeline. Whether you're a brand looking for luxury packaging or a business needing custom print solutions, we're your trusted partner for premium printing that elevates your product. Precision, quality, sustainability. This is how we print excellence. Contact us today to bring your packaging vision to life.